Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a YouTube video like this one, having yourself cropped in a circle or in a bubble, and we're going to do everything in Canva. This tutorial is going to be super helpful for people with no video editing skills, and we won't need design skills either. So I want to show you what are we going to learn in this tutorial. First, I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful slides with animations. Second, I'm going to teach you how to create the video having yourself cropped in a circle at the bottom of the screen. And lastly, at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you the steps on how to download this video or this talking presentation as a MP4 video. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, let's go to my computer. Okay, so here we are in my Canva account, and what we are going to do is to hover on top of templates and then click on presentations. This is going to take us to this page with thousands of different templates that you can use to create your YouTube video. So basically just go around and select the one that you prefer or that you like the most. In my case, I know a specific template that I like and I want to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to type presentations nostalgia stickers, and here I'm going to find this specific template. I'm just showing you guys the keywords in case that you want to use this same template that I used for my video. So customize this template. Now we're going to land on Canva's editor. In this place is where you will be able to customize everything. So in this case, I'm going to delete a couple of elements that I don't really like a lot. And now I can start changing the color of the text. If I double click on any of the text boxes, I can change the text, or I can also change the color of the text if I go to this toolbar. So basically, like, customizing everything in our slides is super easy. Now what I want to do is to add more elements to our slides. So let's open elements and type blob animated. This is a keyword that I love. Let's go to graphics. I love using these elements. I think they add a subtle animation to our designs. So let's take this one to back. And then of course you can customize the text. You can move your elements in your slide for them to look more aesthetic. You can change the position of your elements. And I also want to show you something important, because this is going to help you to create your videos. Okay, so on each page, so let's say that I'm on the slide number 1, you see page number 1, I go to the bottom of the screen and you will notice this small button that says notes. You can click on it. Here you will see this little window. So here what you can do is to add notes. You can add your, let's say, your bullet points if you have something important that you want to mention, or you can also add a little script if you want to read while you are going to be delivering your information. So this is important, and I will show you later on how you can access these notes. Okay, so let's say that you already customized your slides, you already have everything perfect, and you are ready to start recording your video. For this, let's go to the navigation bar on top and click on the 3 dots. Here you will see this option that says present and record. If you don't see this icon over here, just type it on the search box. So present and record, you will see it here. So click on this button. This is going to allow us to have our video cropped in a bubble or in a circle at the bottom of the screen. So let's go to Recording Studio, and here you see this is my webcam. So you can select your webcam over here, or you can also select audio only in case that you want to create a video in which we don't see yourself, but we can hear your audio. You can select also your microphone in case that you have another external microphone connected to your computer, and then start recording. Over here, this is the presenter's view, and on the right hand side, this is the notes that I just show you how to create. So if you have a script that you want to read, you will have access to it over here. And what Canva is recording is everything that is here on this little screen. You can change from slide to slide, and if you pay attention, we also have animations in each of the slides. I will show you later how to do this. So you are delivering your content. Canva is recording at the moment. You can see how many seconds we have been recording. If you want to pause, you can click on this button. Maybe you want to read something, you want to drink some water, and then you click on resume. You continue delivering your content, and then when you are ready, you hit end recording. Canva is uploading your recording here, is creating your video, and in a couple of seconds we will have access to a link, and also we will have access to a button which will allow us to download our video so we can upload it to YouTube. Okay, so this is the link that I was talking about. So let's click on copy link, because I think this is also a very interesting way to share these kind of presentations. Maybe you don't need to upload this video to YouTube, but you want to share it this way. So you copied this link. I'm going to paste it here on my browser, and this is what people will see when they received your presentation. So let's click on play. Centers view, and on the right hand, so they will have access to your presentation. They will see you at the bottom of the screen, and they can also go from slide to slide by clicking on these white little dots. Okay, so let's go back to our Canva design, because this is the feature or the button that you need to click. This is the download button that is going to create your YouTube video. So my video is downloading over here, and while we wait for our video to be downloaded, I'm going to leave you guys here recommended a couple of videos that I think are going to be super useful if you want to learn more about presentations. Okay, I have the video downloaded into my computer, but before showing you how this looks like, I want to show you how to animate pages. So if you want to change page and to see the elements moving around the page or having any kind of animation, you would like to go to the specific page or slide and then click on these circles that you see right here. We at the moment see tumble, but if you don't have any animation applied to the page, you will see animation. So let's click on this button, and this is the page animations, and you can see or preview all the different animations that you can add to every single slide. So the first set of animations are completely free, and the ones with the crown are available for Canva Pro users. So I'm going to show you the video that I just created during this tutorial for you guys to see how this looks like. Okay, so here I have the final outcome. Let me lower the volume. This is the video that you will be uploading to YouTube. You see that it has already the animations included, and you can see yourself cropped in a bubble or in a circle at the bottom of the screen. So basically the video is ready to be uploaded. It has all the animations, all the text. It has yourself here explaining everything. So I think this is a wonderful solution for people with no video editing skills or maybe no design skills who would like to create videos for YouTube. So I think this is it for today. If you want to keep learning about Canva, don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know if you liked, if you enjoyed these kind of tutorials. Don't forget that I left an affiliate link in the description of this video, so you can enjoy Canva Pro for free for 45 days. This will allow you to access all the premium animations and all the premium content that is available in Canva. I'm going to leave the affiliate link also on this corner of the screen, and while you wait for next week's tutorial, I'm going to leave 2 tutorials that I think you are going to enjoy over here. So I think this is it for today, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!